So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the sum. If the coefficients of the pth, p plus 1th and p plus 2th term, okay, let me just, okay, if the coefficients of the pth, p plus 1th and p plus 2th terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n are in AP means arithmetic progression, are in AP, so then find the value of this expression n square minus n into 4p plus 1 plus 4p square. Okay, four options have been given to us. We have to find which one is correct. Clear? If the coefficients of the pth, p plus 1th and the p plus 2th terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n are in AP, then find the value of this expression. Okay, very important sum for joint entrance examination. Okay, so let's start the solution. Okay, so now 1 plus x whole to the power n, can you expand it? So see, since 1 plus x whole to the power n is equal to, what will be the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n? 1 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square. Okay, in this way dot 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 plus ncn into x to the power n. Clear? nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square, in this way plus dot 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 plus ncn into x. Okay, so hence it is proved that from here we can say, see, this is second term. What is the coefficient of x? nc1. This is third term. What is the coefficient of x? nc2. Okay, what is the coefficient of second term? nc1. What is the coefficient of third term? nc2. In this way we can say coefficient of second term is 1, coefficient of third term is 2. So in this way we can say that the coefficients of the pth, p plus 1th and p plus 2th terms are, coefficient of second term is nc1, coefficient of third term is nc2. So what would be the coefficient of pth term? Certainly ncp minus 1. Second term is 1, third term is 2, just 1 less. The nc coefficient of pth term will be ncp minus 1. Coefficient of p plus 1 term will be ncp, and coefficient of p plus 2th term will be ncp plus 1. Okay, it is proved that the coefficients of the pth, p plus 1 and p are this and this and this respectively. Okay, okay, so by problem what it has been said, that the coefficients of these terms are in AP. That means second term minus first term, that means coefficient of this, that means NCP minus NCP minus 1, NCP minus NCP minus 1 is second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term, NCP plus 1 minus NCP, right? Clear? So from here we can write NCP. Acha, what will I do now? Acha, one thing we can do, I will divide both NCP minus NCP minus 1 by NCP. I am dividing both sides by NCP. Okay, NCP plus 1 minus NCP by NCP. So I am dividing both sides by NCP. Clear? So what it would be? NCP by NCP, it would be 1 minus NCP minus 1 by NCP, right, is equal to NCP plus 1 by NCP minus 1. Clear? Okay, so this one from right hand side I am taking it to left hand side. 1 plus 1 will be okay. Acha, NCP plus 1 by NCP plus, I am taking this from left hand side to right hand side, NCP minus 1 by NCP. Clear? Okay, so this would be 2. Okay, so now what would be this? What is the meaning of NCP? N factorial NCP plus 1. NCP plus 1. What is the meaning of n factorial? By p plus 1 factorial into n minus p minus 1 factorial. Okay, divided by NCP means what? N factorial by p factorial into n minus p factorial. Okay, plus here also NCP minus 1 means what? NCP minus 1, n factorial by p minus 1 factorial into n minus p plus 1 factorial. Okay, n factorial, NCP minus means what? N factorial by p minus 1 factorial into n minus p plus 1 factorial divided by again NCP means what? N factorial by p factorial into n minus p factorial. Clear? Okay, so this would be n factorial by p plus 1 factorial into n minus p minus 1 factorial. Okay, into p factorial into n minus p factorial. Okay, this will go up and here it will come down in factorial, plus I will write this as same, n factorial by p minus 1 factorial into n minus p plus 1 factorial. Okay, into this n factorial will come down, p factorial into n minus p factorial. Okay, so now from here you see n factorial will cancel each other. Here also n factorial will cancel each other. Okay, so keep it up to there here only. So now I am taking the next page. So implies that 2, this is 2 is equal to, acha, this is p factorial. I am writing it as p factorial only. Acha, n minus p factorial can be written as n minus p into n minus p minus 1 factorial. I can write it as n minus p factorial can be written in this way, n minus p into n minus p minus 1 factorial. And here we have p plus 1 factorial. P plus 1 factorial can be written as p plus 1 into p factorial. Okay, into n minus p minus 1, n minus p minus 1 factorial. Okay, plus here also same thing. Acha, p factorial can be written as p into p minus 1 factorial. Okay, p factorial can be written as p into p minus 1 factorial. Okay, then n minus p factorial, n minus p factorial. I am writing it as it is. Okay, now in the denominator we have p minus 1 factorial, p minus 1 factorial into n minus p plus 1 factorial can be written as n minus p plus 1 into n minus p factorial. Clear? So now you see p factorial will cancel each other. Okay, right? N minus p minus 1 factorial, n minus p minus 1 factorial cancel each other. From here p minus 1 factorial cancel each other. N minus p factorial will cancel each other. So what will remain? N minus p by p plus 1. Right? N minus p by p plus 1 plus here p into n minus p plus 1. Okay, clear? And it is 2. Okay, so now what will I do? Here the denominators are different. So what will I do? I am taking this to left hand side. So 2 minus p by n minus p plus 1. Okay, I am taking this term to left hand side. Okay, and here we have n minus p by p plus 1. Okay, so now what will I do? This is the LCM, n minus p plus 1. So it would be 2 into n minus p plus 1 minus p. Okay, and in the right hand side we have p plus 1 by n minus p. Okay, so it would be 2n minus 2p plus 2 minus p, and n minus p plus 1 is equal to n minus p into p plus 1. Clear? Plus 2. Achha, so it would be 2n minus 2p minus p, that means minus 3p, right? Minus 2p minus 3p plus 2 by n minus p plus 1, is equal to n minus p by p plus 1. Okay, so now I will do direct multiplication. P plus 1 into this cross multiplication, this will go up, into 2n minus 3p plus 2, n minus p into n minus p plus 1. Okay, this will go up. Clear? What was the value of the expression you have to find? You have to find the value n square minus 4, if we multiply this, minus 4np minus n plus 4p square. Let's see what happens. 2np minus 3p square, by multiplying with p, plus 2p, okay, plus 2n minus 3p plus 2. Okay, here we have n square minus np plus n minus np, minus p into n is np minus np, then plus p square minus p. Okay, so now let's see. 2np, okay, minus 3p square, acha, plus 2p minus 3p, plus 2p minus 3p, that means minus p. Okay, plus 2n plus 2. Here we have n square minus np minus np, that is minus 2np. Clear? Acha, plus n plus p square minus p. Okay, clear? Okay, now I will bring this 2np minus 3p square minus p plus 2n plus 2, okay, minus n square. I am taking all the terms from right hand side to left hand side, so minus n square plus 2np minus n minus p square plus p is equal to 0. Clear? So now 2np plus 2np, 2np plus 2np, okay, plus minus 3p square minus 3p square minus p square, okay, no problem, plus minus p plus p, acha, minus p plus p will cancel each other, okay, then 2n plus 2n minus n plus 2n minus n, okay, then plus 2, plus 2 is there, plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, is it really coming plus 2? n minus 2p plus 2 minus p, okay, plus 2 only I can see, p plus 1 plus 2, okay, let's see. So it is 4np minus 4p square, okay, plus n plus 2 is equal to 0. So what not matching with the expression. Acha, have to cut, some mistake is definitely here. Two NP plus 2NP. plus 2NP, okay, minus 3p square minus p square, okay, plus 2n minus n, okay, then plus 2, okay, then minus n square is equal to 0. Clear? Okay, see, 2NP plus 2NP, 2NP plus 2NP, okay, minus 3p square minus p square, okay, 2n minus n, then plus 2, then minus n square is equal to 0, okay. So 4NP minus 4p square minus 4p square plus n plus 2 minus n square is equal to 0, okay. So now I will multiply both sides by minus 1. I will multiply both sides by minus 1. Minus 4NP minus 4p square plus n plus 2 minus n square is equal to 0. I am multiplying both sides by minus 1. So now it would be n square. It would be minus 4NP plus 4p minus n minus 2 plus n square is equal to 0, right? So now what will I do? N square, okay, this can be written as minus n into 4p plus 1. See, here I am taking minus n common, so what will remain? 4p plus 1. Clear? Four p square, no, 4p square, okay. I have to first write it in a correct way, okay. Okay, now let me write it in correct way. N square, I can write n square, okay. So then I will write minus 4NP minus n plus 4p square minus 2 is equal to 0. N square minus 4NP minus n plus 4p square minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here we can write n square minus n, I am taking common, 4p plus 1, okay, plus 4p square is equal to 2. So this only we have to find the value of this expression only. See, n square minus n into 4p plus 1 plus 4p square, n square minus n into 4p plus 1 plus 4p square. 4p plus 1 n square minus n 4p plus 4p square plus 4p square is 2. So value of this expression is 2. So which option do you think is correct? Certainly option number D is the correct one. Clear? So if you found this video useful to you, then do subscribe my channel for more such solutions. Okay, thank you.